Hey, everybody. Welcome to the Sagebrush Happy Hour Journal entry for July 8th, 2026. As you can see in the sky behind me, it's kind of a gray, overcast, and terribly smoky day. And so we're continuing with the wildfire smoke out here, and it's making it kind of really unpleasant to be outside. And then we've got these clouds, and it's supposed to be raining, and it's supposed to have been raining, in the afternoons yesterday, today, and tomorrow, and yet we have yet to get a drop. So this drought is getting really concerning. So hopefully that we'll get a few drops sometime here soon. My cisterns could really use the help. We're down to about 3,800 gallons out of 6,000 gallons in my cisterns. And if I get a good thunder shower, where it rains for, 45 minutes or so, is I can generally get 800 to 1,000 gallons of water. So, that's why I'm kind of praying for rain. In lieu of that, I am going to do a draw from our community well tomorrow morning. And so I'll draw 1,000 gallons tomorrow. And the reason I'm taking just 1,000 gallons instead of my usual 2,000 gallons is because we have these overcast skies, is that since the well house and the well pump is solar powered as well, and it needs about 24 hours to recover on a sunny day, and it's probably not going to be a sunny day. So I'm going to take a half of our usual load, and hopefully the batteries will get charged enough for somebody to draw 2,000 gallons on Friday. One of my neighbors is already in line for Friday. So that's kind of the water situation, or the lack of water situation. And, and that it's really, one of the things is we're really concerned with it here in New Mexico, and it really goes to these data centers. And so the data center that they want to put in New Mexico is called Project Jupiter, and it is down in Dona Ana County, which is Las Cruces area. And of course, that being a more conservative area and more economically disadvantaged area, is the billionaires and millionaires investors are trying to take advantage of that county. And the trouble is there's two main things. Of course, water, which is rare here in New Mexico, and we're in a stage 2 drought. And B is power. And, they advertised originally when they were wanting to put in that Project Jupiter that it would be self-sufficient on power with renewable energy. And of course, that tune has changed as the project has progressed. And now they are, although they do say that they're using fuel cells technology, they're actually going to be using fossil fuels and natural gas to produce electricity in their own plants. And of course, that's going to add to our carbon footprint, which adds to global climate change and possible warming and greenhouse gases, and therefore exacerbates the drought again. So no data centers. And so our state legislature is contemplating a moratorium on data centers, and I hope that does go through in a special session that they're going to be calling. And so that's my rant for today. and what's happening here on the Mesa. Cheers, everybody.